There's no doubt in my mind if you're trying to take this lower piece out right here, lower steering column out for 79 or a lot of the Chevys, this piece coming apart from this is okay, but you can't get the bearing off. So what I did was, because they show somebody like pounding it in, and what I found was there's a lot of buildup in here. So I took crocus cloth, and actually a wet dry sandpaper worked out the best, and just went back and forth and cleaned the shaft. So, and then pushed it back in and then pulled it back out, and now it's just ready to fall out. That saves you a lot of time, because otherwise you got to pull a column or you got to cut that with a grinder, which is not a good idea, because you may score the shaft and then the new bearing won't go on. So if you get it stuck and it's at the end here, don't worry about it. Don't try to force anything from this end. Just go to the other end and pull, and the inside collar will act like a bearing puller, and it'll just pop right off.